How to loop a video on YouTube TV. YouTube TV doesn't have a built-in feature to loop videos. However, you can use the following workarounds to loop videos or playlists effectively. Method 1. Create a playlist on YouTube, web/mobile. Open YouTube. Use the standard YouTube app or visit youtube.com on a web browser. Search for the video. Locate the video you want to loop. Save to playlist. Click the Save button under the video and add it to a playlist. You can create a new playlist or use an existing one. Ensure the playlist is set to public or unlisted for accessibility. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your TV. Play the playlist. Navigate to your playlist and start playing it. The playlist will automatically loop. Method 2. Use YouTube Cast, mobile to TV. Open the YouTube app on your smartphone or a tablet. Find your video. Search for the video you want to loop. Enable loop. Tap the three-dot menu and select loop video. Cast to TV. Tap the cast icon and connect to your TV. Enjoy loop playback. The video will play on loop on your TV through the YouTube app. Method 3. Use the browser version on TV, Smart TV with browser. Open your Smart TV's browser. Access the web browser on your Smart TV. Go to YouTube. Visit youtube.com and log in. Search for the video. Locate the video you want to loop. Enable loop. Right-click or long press the video, depending on your remote, and select loop. Method 4. Use screen mirroring, smartphone/tablet. Start YouTube on mobile. Launch the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Enable loop. Start the video and tap the three-dot menu to select loop video. Mirror to TV. Use your device's screen mirroring or casting feature to stream the video to your TV. Important notes. Playlist trick. Creating a playlist with just one video ensures continuous playback. App limitations. Use the standard YouTube app for looping, as YouTube TV doesn't support this feature natively.